Good morning students, my name is Swapna. I am from 3+ Aditya Tutorial. Today I am explaining about the 8th class subject force. Tell me Nani, what is force? Daily we are seeing some examples. Without force we can't do anything. So I will explain now about force. Okay na? So in science, force means pull or push of an object is called force. What? In a science, if pull or push of an object is called force. Example actions of a forces is example pulling, pushing, lifting, kicking and opening, lifting. These are the examples of the actions of force. Okay, now we will discuss about the types of forces and effects of forces and examples of forces. Okay, so we have two types of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces of the movement. See here Nana students, force means what I said, a push or pull of an object is called force. I will tell one example. Force, this is an example. This is a Pond's powder. It can, now it is in the rest position. When we apply some force, it can changes from one place to another place. This is one example. Traveling vehicles on the road. Now we will we will move from one place to another place, like that. See, force. Next we will discuss about the two types of forces, contact force and non-contact force. First, now contact force. Tell me what is contact force of Gerard. Now, contact force means a contact force, it involves the force between two objects in a contact. For example, friction between 2 feet and the ground can be present. Contact force means it is a physical, it has some physical contact. Example, muscular force, frictional force, mechanical force, like that. Next, non-contact force means it involves a force between objects not touching. You cannot see anything physically touching. Okay, na. This is called the non-contact force, but there is still of an attraction or repulsion. So this is about the non-contact force. Again I will explain Nani. Contact force means it involves a force between two objects in a contact. Non-contact force means it involves a force between objects not touching. You cannot see the anything physically touching, but there is still still an attraction or repulsion. Now, non-contact force examples are magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. These are the main forces are there, contact force and non-contact force. Now we will discuss about the effects of the forces. Effects of the force. First effect is force can change the state of the object. Force can increase or decrease of the speed. Force can change the direction. Force can change the shape of the object. This is about the introduction of force. This is about the introduction of 8th class subject force. Okay na? Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.